Good morning, children. Again, today we are going to learn about the cell, the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. Children, you know that some structures they are present in the plant cells and they are not present in the animal cell, and some structures are there which are present in the animal cell but they are not present in the plant cell. So let's have a look. The animal cells they are usually smaller in size, whereas plant cells they are larger in size as compared to the animal cell. In animal cell, cell wall is absent, whereas in plant cell it is present and it is made up of cellulose. Now this cell wall it provides shape to the cell and it is present outside the cell membrane. Except in Euglena, children, no animal cell have the plastid, whereas plastids they are present in the plant cell which gives color to the plants. Vacuoles in animal cell they may be small and they may be temporary, whereas in plant cell a large and permanent central vacuole is present which is filled with the cell. Animal cell, they have highly complex and prominent Golgi apparatus, whereas in plant cells, they have simpler units of Golgi apparatus, they are known as dictyosomes. In animal cells, centrosome and centrioles are present, whereas in plant cells, centrosome and centrioles, they are absent. So here is a diagram of animal cell and plant cell, children. So this is the diagram of an animal cell. All the structures are present inside the cytoplasm, mitochondria, lysosomes, then Golgi apparatus, then endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, nucleolus, then these are the centrioles, then here comes the cell membrane, then cytoplasm, ribosomes. So this is the plant cell. As you see, this is oval in shape, whereas spherical in shape, or animal cell usually they are rectangular in shape. Okay, so here is the animal cell, and as you see, the central large vacuole is present, and the nucleus is at the periphery of the cell. Now nucleolus, then endoplasmic reticulum and chloroplast, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, ribosomes, okay, mitochondria, all these structures are present inside the cell. Okay, so children, draw these two diagrams in your practice copy. Okay, learn the cell organelles which are present in the plant cell and which are present only in the animal cell. Okay, when school will reopen, we'll do the experiments in the laboratory. And here are the keywords, children. So learn all these keywords like what is a cell, what are unicellular organisms, multicellular organisms, mitochondria, plastids, vacuole. Okay, so this is all for today, and this chapter is completed. In next, when we'll meet, we'll do next chapter. Okay, children, thank you and have a nice